Hi guys, today we are going to make a dessert cake. It's called a cake top pudding, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure that before I start, click the subscribe button, like and share, and also click the notification button so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's start. Here I have my ingredients already set up. 2 cups of all-purpose flour or cake flour. Then I have 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I have 1.5 cups granulated sugar, which is normal white sugar. We have 4 tablespoons of chocolate baking crumbs. Here they are. If you don't have this, you can use cocoa powder. Then I have 1 teaspoon salt. Then I have 2 teaspoons vanilla. And then I have a 1/4 cup of canola oil. Right, on the side for the topping, we need 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of chocolate baking crumbs or cocoa powder, and then 2.5 cups of hot water. So I've already boiled the water. I'll just measure it when I need it. So now we can start mixing our ingredients. I'll start by mixing the sugar, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, the salt. Right, then I mix this. Then I have to add my milk. Oil, and lastly my vanilla. Then give it a nice stir. Make sure you mix well. Right, make sure that you have a nice consistency. Right, like that. Right, then I have to pour over my dough, my batter, into the baking tin. Here I'm going to use the casserole dish. You can also use a baking tin, but you need one that does not leak, because we are going to add hot water in the baking tray. So I'm going to transfer my dough into my baking tin. Make sure you spread it well. Right, then I spread my sugar like that. Add my cocoa powder. Right. Now I add on my 2.5 cups of water. I've already boiled it before. So there you go. Another cup. Half a cup. So now we are going to place this in a preheated oven, which is 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So place in there and let it bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Here you go. So let us give it a break, then we'll come back and see after 45 minutes. You can see that it's only after 9 minutes, but it has started forming. It has started forming and bubbling, which is a good thing because it's going to form a custard when we take it out and we serve it upside down. Now our 45 minutes is over. I've switched off the oven and now we take it out. Wow, isn't that a wow? Look, until I turn it upside down. You need to have a serving dish which is appropriate for the size that we have made. So I'm using this tray. So now I have to turn it. So I give it some time because it was a bit hot. Wow, now it's all out. Isn't it amazing? It's a wow. Look at that. The pudding has come up. Now it's on top. The one that we made with our cocoa powder or chocolate baking crumbs with brown sugar. It has turned out to be a nice pudding. Now I have to serve it with custard. You can serve it, you can eat it like that, or you can serve it with ice cream or custard. Look at that, the inside of the cake. Right, then I have to add some custard to it. Just like that. And you are going to enjoy this dessert and you will never stop wanting to have something like this after your meal. You can see. So now you enjoy your dessert. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share this channel to your friends, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. Wow.